Welcome to our video. Today, we'll explore how to prioritize user stories using 3 methodologies. Let's take a look at the story map for our product, SmartFit, a fitness app. In the following sections, we'll focus on the user stories under the first step. Now, let's prioritize these user stories. In StoriesOnBoard, you have a specific view where prioritization happens. You have 3 prioritization framework to choose from. Let's start prioritizing our stories with the standard method, which includes blocker, high, medium, low, and trivial. For setting a weight loss target, we will mark this as high. It's a core feature for any fitness app, so we want it to be a high priority. For setting strength goals, we will mark this as medium. It's important, but not critical for all users. Adjusting goals based on time will be set as low since it's a nice-to-have feature that adds flexibility. Seeing recommended goals based on fitness level will be set as medium because it's useful but not essential. Lastly, setting a cardio endurance goal is marked as trivial since fewer users may use it compared to other goals. Next, let's use the Moscow method, which classifies stories into must-have, should have, could have, and won't have. Setting a weight loss target will be a must-have since most users will expect this core feature. Setting strength goals is a should-have because it's valuable, but not vital for every user. Adjusting goals based on time will be a could-have, as it enhances user experience without being a necessity. Seeing recommended goals based on fitness level will also be a could-have to provide a tailored experience for users. Finally, setting a cardio endurance goal is marked as won't have for now, as it's not a priority for our initial launch. Finally, let's try the Kano model, which categorizes features as basic, performance, delighter, indifferent, and dissatisfier. Setting a weight loss target is a basic need. Users expect it to be part of any fitness app. Setting strength goals would be performance, meaning the more we enhance it, the more satisfied users will be. Adjusting goals based on time could be considered a delighter. Users don't necessarily expect it, but it adds extra value and flexibility for those who need it. Seeing recommended goals based on fitness level might also be a delighter, offering a personalized touch that users find exciting. Lastly, setting a cardio endurance goal would be indifferent for now, as it's unlikely to have a major impact on user satisfaction initially. Here are a few tips to help you prioritize efficiently on a user story map. First, remember that the card order itself expresses priority. So if you've prioritized your stories, be sure to organize them by moving high priority stories to the top. Next, whenever possible, do your prioritization session with stakeholders or customers. This process is clear and straightforward, even for non-technical team members, and lets everyone easily see how priorities stack up against each other. And finally, always agree with your team on what each priority class means. Aligning on these definitions helps avoid misunderstandings later on. Thanks for watching this video. If you'd like to learn more about how business value or effort is ranked in StoriesOnBoard, stay tuned for our next video.